Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply go ahead and teach you how you can log out of your Badoo app. So if you go ahead into the application itself and then go ahead and search for the setting that you are going to be trying to log out from, to be honest, you'll not find the setting right over here. As you can see, even if you tap on the account preferences, there is still no log out button that you can find. So all you can do in order for you to go ahead and log out is gonna be going into your settings of your mobile device, and finally go into apps and notification settings down over here. And finally, once you have done that, all you want to do is go ahead and tap on see all apps right over here, and then finally go ahead and find Badoo and then simply tap on it. And then over here you want to go to storage and then simply clear your storage. And what this will do is basically gonna log you out of your account, as it is gonna be deleting the user data. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.